Edo State of Progressive Congress APC for their talk with Tori people talk say the people where Edo people vote for 2019 under APC no fit do anything as Governor Godwin Obaseki no gree inaugurate them as members of the House of Assembly. Dem say till today na only Edo no get lawmakers wey dey work. Dem con still talk say March 18 na another opportunity for the people of Edo, but dem hear say Governor Obaseki dey plan to cause kasala before, during and after the election, especially for Edo South, Edo Central and polling units wey PDP dey lose. Dem say make Edo State Police Command dey at alert and make any Edo State security agency no near polling units on election day.
It is a crucial issue for the election of the state assemblies across our country. In 2019, the enthusiastic people of Edo State profoundly expressed their desire to have a well-regulated system of administration that shall continually endure the golden legacies of governance in the state, and consequently elected into the Edo State House of Assembly 24 members elect under the platform of APC. The people were very expectant and indeed hoping that with the House of Assembly populated by men with robust knowledge, governance will be moderated in a very vivid, lucid, and on the pedestal of El Dorado. No, Governor Obaseki did not only truncate this noble idea, but also arguably denied the 14 members elect and their constituents the realization of these democratic dividends by not inaugurating them as members of the State House of Assembly. As at date, Edo is the only state without a functional legislature. March 18, 2023 is therefore seen by many Edo citizens as a golden opportunity to rewrite history of governance in the state and make the government accountable to Edo people. In line with this noble objective, and as a party, it is within our knowledge and now in public and political space, without contestation, that Governor Godwin Obaseki, having been aware of his rejection and that of his party, the PDP, by Edo people, he has now embarked on clandestine and ill moves to truncate and cause mayhem before, during, and after the elections, particularly in Edo South and Edo Central. As a party, we have privileged and credible information indicating that the Edo State Governor has procured military and police uniforms, arms and ammunition for both the Edo State Security Network, also known as Vigilante, known PDP talks, members of sacred courts, and National Union of Road Transport Workers, under one Mr. Odion Olaye, with plans for them to disrupt the House of Assembly elections. Their modus operandi is as set out hereunder, among others. Those with military uniform will be on patrol, pretending to be soldiers. Those on mufti will queue up with voters. They will be armed by the governor with procured and licensed pump action rifles. They are to destroy ballot boxes and other electoral materials in any unit where they are not winning, especially during counting of votes. They have been given clear directives and orders to shoot when necessary, as the governor has assured them of adequate protection. The governor has allegedly procured the National Union of Road Transport Workers under the leadership of Mr. Odion Olaye to transport election materials to unknown destinations where rigging can be carried out. These violent operations is to be carried out especially in Edo Central and Edo South. The People's Democratic Party government, led by Mr. Godwin Obaseki, is desperate and working hard to create chaos in a way that could spoil an election that should be peaceful and rancor-free. We know that the main objective of the governor is to get these fake security personnel and thugs to the designated police stations in Edo Central and Edo South on election day, to interrupt and terminate elections in the units that the PDP is losing in order for INEC to cancel the results. This contravenes the order of the Inspector General of Police that all thugs, vigilantes, poachers, and fake state-sponsored security services, such as the Edo State Security Network, are disqualified to be anywhere near any police station and collation centers on election day. With this information, we urge the State Police Command to remain vigilant so that the Edo State government troublemakers do not make the state ungovernable. It is also a call to other security agencies deployed in the state to be aware of their responsibility to avoid a backlash from these criminals. We would like to warn that if these thugs are allowed to express themselves, the state will come under severe pressure. We therefore urge heads of state security agencies not to give in to the state government financial incentives, which may reduce the election to one of Obaseki's PDP versus the Edo people.
From Benin City, Taiwo Ayeni, TMC TV News.